Hello everybody, I'm here to give a quick overview on our opportunity analysis project on MobiSocial, a smartphone networking application created by Rainwater innovators. To start with, let me give you a brief overview of how MobiSocial was born. MobiSocial was born out of the realization that existing social media networks are basically isolated entities just having a large number of members. But individual members did not have the means to utilize the combined connections of their memberships. We also found that when a person comes to a place where they don't know anyone, they have to go the hard way about getting to know people that might have similar interests or share common goals. Now, there are organizations that might also want to offer virtual meeting places for their customers, employees, or other people they are interested in providing a better service to. This is the environment for which MobiSocial has been envisioned. I'll give you a roadmap of how we validated our opportunity through the opportunity analysis project. Earlier on, we produced a set of mock-ups of MobiSocial, and we put it up on Prezi to give people an insight on how they could navigate through the application. Let me see if I can pull you one of the application screens. Okay, there it is. Well, basically what we did was we gave a small insight on how MobiSocial would be beneficial for them and on the different features that existed in MobiSocial. That includes places people find a control, the demo of the application, the control center, and the advanced configurations. And later on, we created a video to and showed it to the people before asking them to participate in an initial survey. The learnings from that survey went into revised mockups that were again explained in a video, and the video was shown to the participants of a second more detailed survey, which was custom made to obtain more responses from the respondents and also primarily to test our ideas viability. I'll just see if I can pull up a shot of the video. Oh, there it is. A video that shows a quick run through and demos the application for the user, similar to the Prezi presentation. We focus more on techno-savvy people that would understand what we were proposing, as this will produce maximum quality feedback. Together we have undertook more than 30 surveys to complete our opportunity analysis project. Now, some of the key lessons we learned from our customer feedback survey was that in our initial mock-ups we did not have enough explanation on how the application would protect their privacy. It also did not show in detail how they will be able to reach out to people and how they could find other people in the first place. It was also not clear to the participants in communicating the basic service would be free of charge, but ad finance. So the changes we made to MobiSocial with these exciting lessons learned is by adding new privacy filters such as observing network privacy and asking for permission before an unknown contact can see one's details. We introduced different customer packages including basic, professional, and premium to suit different customers' needs, expectation, and willingness to pay for a service. And thinking about the possible revenue streams in addition to customer provided income, we added the ability to charge for ad impressions to be shown to basic customers, and the use of our platform by providers of places to add value to their primary customer offerings by offering places to their customers. In our market size analysis, we found that in the US, which is the core market that we're focusing on initially, Facebook has 168 million members, LinkedIn has 72 million. Ignoring other social media networks, this should yield around 175 million social media memberships in the US. Of these, around 50% are in the main market segment of 25 to 44-year-olds, which has been confirmed by our survey results. Assuming an initial one-person membership in MobiSocial, this would yield 875,000 MobiSocial members in the US alone. And assuming a $1 targeted ad revenue per member per year, this would produce an income of around 875,000 US dollars in 1 year in the US through ad impressions alone. Now, of course, this is considering that the figures look at ad impression related income from the US alone, and other revenue streams and ad income is ignored. Our face-to-face interviews in this project was the most exciting period that all the team members have gone through, because we have team members sitting across the globe, including Austria, South Africa, India, and the Netherlands. We were able to draw up a more global understanding of the user's feedback on MobiSocial. So one of the key questions that we asked for testing our viability was that whether MobiSocial as an application makes sense for them to connect their social network membership with the notion of a place. And 75% of the users said that they would give it a try and they would want it to work. Because even as I recall, most of the users did find the concept of connecting with mutually interested people in real time a very exciting platform to be on. The other key questions we asked was whether which are the most used professional networking websites. So 75% again stated that it was Facebook for them, and 69% LinkedIn, and 38% of the users used Twitter, and a few others on Quora, Plaxo, Zing, and projectmanagers.net. We also found that users spend about 53% of the users spend 1 to 5 hours a week on professional networking websites. And most of the users were, again, as confirmed in the earlier segment, we found that they were between the ages of 20 and 44. We also found that 53% of our target users are somewhat likely to go ahead and recommend the application if they will be using it. Way forward to the OEP, we have interacted with many users having the same concern about using multiple social networks and the loss of focus on building real, valuable connections among their professional network. With the results of the OAP survey and interactions with potential takers of MobiSocial, we strongly believe in the viability of our idea to connect people in real time and build real value to their professional or private networks. I will see if I can give you a quick view of the surveys. This is the web survey form which we used during the period of the survey, and we also use this in most of the face-to-face interactions. And it was amazing to see the amount of responses we were able to obtain and summarize into this project. So again, as I was saying, In this way, we survey the ratio of positive responses to the core question, would you consider using our application, was significantly higher, confirming that we are right on track to deliver a service that people are really interested in. The next steps we have planned is to start work on a clickable prototype and a team page for documenting our issues encountered and the decisions made. The page contains a live business model canvas that we continually maintain as we modify our model. We also started work on a feature backlog that will capture feature requests mentioned by survey participants and such that continue to come up in team discussions. We love the feedback you receive on the prototype, especially those received on the modified one, and hope to obtain more user feedback over the period of the course. Thank you for watching.